Let's see watch history on YouTube on phone. So go to the YouTube app and it will take a moment for loading your YouTube app. After opening, and you need to make sure that you have logged into the correct YouTube account for seeing your watch history. So now let's say if you're not on correct YouTube account, you can tap on the U, which means your profile. From there you can tap on switch account like this, and here you can change your YouTube account or the channel like this. Now let's say if you need to see your watch history on the YouTube, for that now you need to tap on the history option here, and from here you could see the watch history of you on the YouTube. Now you can scroll down like this to find all the videos of your YouTube which you have been watched here. Now let me show you the example. Let's say I'm tapping on this and I'm scrolling like this, and now you could see that will be visible in the watch history. So I tap on you again and you could see 3 shots has been watched. I can tap on view all like this. You could see I have watched these 3 shots right now and I can see this here. This is how you see watch history on YouTube. Thank you.